Hello, so you've just received your firewood rack for your Campfire, Mesa, or Titan, and now you need to assemble it. It comes with all these pieces, and the reason being that it's less expensive to ship, easier to ship, and it also won't break in shipment, hopefully. So you got all these sticks, and what are you going to do? We want to start with the main posts, and we want to put the sides together first. There are left and right side posts, but it's very easy to figure that out. So just pick one and start by inserting a drop of glue in each hole and a dowel rod. Turn it so that the main rail hole is facing upwards, and find the post that will also match with these two and face upward as well. So that's this one, as you can see. Insert a drop of glue in each hole, insert each dowel, and then you can either just squeeze them together, or I like to use a small hammer just so I'm sure that they're tight. Take the two remaining posts, the two remaining side rail dowels, insert a drop of glue in each hole, drop of glue in each hole, squeeze together. Now you have the two remaining support rails, drop of glue in each hole, drop of glue in each hole, now while it's still drying, put it on a very flat surface. Make sure that it sits flat because there is some possible twist. Allow it to dry, and it is finished.